Unauthorized access or unauthorized use. What is the difference? The difference, okay. Unauthorized access, they say it's the use of computer without permission. But unauthorized use, I already have an access. But unauthorized use, I have an access, but I go use it in something I'm not allowed to use it. So, for example, if I put my phone with my friend and I ask my friend, for example, just keep it with you. So, if my friend open the phone, so this is unauthorized access. He opened it without a permission. Okay, so this is unauthorized access. But if I open my phone and I tell him, okay, open the phone and you can watch this video, okay, he got the access, he got the permission. Okay, but let's say he opened the WhatsApp, the Facebook, whatever. So this is unauthorized use. He used it in an illegal activities or unapproved activities. I did not approve him to use this. I give him a permission to just open it and to watch the video. Okay, guys? Access controls. Actually, access controls is the username and password for any device. So access control, it's only three questions defined, where the answer of access control is the answer of these three questions. Who can access the computer or a device or a network when they can access it? And what action they can take while accessing it? Let's say I have a computer on a company and it has a username and password for the system of this company. So the first question, who can access this computer? For example, the employees. Okay, when they can access it during the time of work. Okay, the daily work. Okay, and what action they can do, it depends to the policy of the company. For example, they can open their emails, they can do whatever, but for example they cannot open videos or open social media and so on. Okay, now let's talk about some access controls. Passphrase. Passphrase, basically it's the password. The password, it's a combination of letters, numbers, and sometimes characters, punctuations, whatever. Okay, guys? But the personal identification number, which is the PIN, from the name itself, personal identification number, sometimes they call it a passcode. Personal identification number. So it's a number. So it's a numeric password. Okay? It's a numeric password. It should be numbers. Okay? Possessed objects, from the name itself, objects, it means item, something I can handle. Possessed, mine. For example, possessed object, the keys of my house. Okay, I cannot enter my house without these keys. Okay, the ATM card, I cannot access my account in the ATM without the ATM card. Okay, this is possessed objects, item, something physical I can touch. Okay, biometric device. Biometric device, from the name itself, biometric, bio, something related to biology. So biometric device, it translates the human characteristics. For example, let's say the human characteristics, the fingers prints, the voice, all these characteristics, it translates them into signals and verify the access. Okay, guys, we have different types of biometric devices. Let's start one by one. Fingerprint reader, you know, the one that we are using our fingerprint. Face recognition, that can recognize our face, the whole face. Hand geometry, it's like the fingerprint, but it's for the whole hand. Okay, it scans the whole hand. Okay. Voice verification system. Voice verification system knows my vocals and translate them into signals. My voice. Okay. signature verification system using the signature, the hand signature. Iris recognition system from the iris. You know, the eye, it can convert the iris into digital code and allow you to access it. So to make it easier for you guys, okay, you can memorize 3 on head and 3 on hand. How come? 3 on hand: fingerprint, hand geometry, signature verification. All of these on hand, okay? On face or on head, okay? Face recognition system on face, okay? On head, okay? Voice verification system on head, okay? Iris recognition system, okay? 3 on face, 3 on hand, 3 on head, 3 on hand, okay? 3 on head, 3 on hand. Okay, guys? Two-step verification. From the name itself, two-step, that means one step and then we have another step. Basically, this is the easiest way to describe this. For example, if I allow two-step verification on my Facebook, let's say, so whenever I want to to enter the password, which is the first step, they will send me a code through an SMS, which is the second step. So two-step verification is two separate methods, one after the next, to verify the identity of the user. The first one, they identify me, identification, and then authentication. They make sure that is me. Okay, guys? Okay, digital forensics. What is digital forensics, guys? Digital forensics, it's like the evidence that they see in scenes of crime, okay? So, but this is related to computers. If you watch some movies related to hackers, the hacker, when he thinks that he can caught up, they go and destroy the hard disks. They put the memory chips on the microwave so they can be destroyed. Why they doing that? So when the PI, for example, they come there, they cannot do it, they cannot find any digital evidence, okay? So digital forensics is the discovery, collection, and analysis of evidence found in a computer or a network. They are using it in many areas: law enforcement, military intelligence, insurance, information security, and so on, okay, guys? You have to, to know these like in examples, okay? Memorize some of them, okay, guys? Okay, guys, let's talk about software theft. Software, which is the program, guys. So, software theft, it occurs when someone steals the software media, steals the software itself, the software media, intentionally erase a program. So, I go to a company and I erase the program there on purpose. This is considered as a software theft. Illegal registers or activate programs. This is what we are doing here in Yemen when we are using cracks for the programs or batches for the programs. So this is considered as a software theft. Illegally copies a program. For example, I have a copy for myself, an original copy, and then I go and copy this to my friends and this one to other friend. So this is considered as a software theft, guys. Okay, many manufacturers, they consider, they are saying there is a process that is mainly they need to use it there, which is activation process. So product activation. What is it, product activation? If I buy a program, which is an original program, they will give me a code. So in order to start using this program with whole functions or features, I must enter this verification code, which is the activation code. This identification number that I have on this program, I must enter it either online or in some cases they can call me on a phone or using a phone or they can send me an email or wherever, and then I must to enter this code. Okay, this is product activation, guys. License agreement is an agreement between the user and the company by using this program, what we supposed to do and what we don't supposed to do, what can we do and what we cannot do. Okay, basically this is the one that we are tedious of reading, and we just, I have been read and I accept. Next. So guys, this is the agreement. So let's talk about the single user agreement. The single user agreement can install the program only in one user. It's a single, one computer. Okay guys, single user. Well, we cannot use it in a network, for example. If I ask you in the exam and I say in a single user agreement, we use the program, or we install the program on a network. Is it correct or not correct? This is not correct, guys. Okay. Information theft. So information theft, it occurs when someone steals either personal or confidential information. Okay. So we have a technique, we call it encryption. They said encryption is the process of converting data that is readable by human into encoded character to prevent unauthorized access. So basically encryption, we have letters, for example. We saw that in movies, guys. We have letter. For example, I wrote the word hello, and when I encrypt this word hello or this message, I'm using this word, I'm adding some characters, I rephrase this word, and I change it to something else, letters and numbers. So this is encryption. So basically encryption is the process of converting the readable the data is the readable data into unreadable data. Okay guys. Okay, digital signature is an encrypted code that a person, website, organization attach to their electronic messages. That signature that we have in the end of our emails. Okay, digital certificate basically guys is a notice that guarantees a user or website this is a legitimate website. This is something safe. Okay, website that use encryption technique to secure the data they known as a secure website. So if you are saying here HTTPS, so the S here stands for what? For secure or security.